massive aerospace-grade 7075 T6 aluminum billets undergo rigorous preliminary structural integrity checks before machining. The 7075 T6 billets undergo high-pressure degreasing before the crucial thermal stabilization bath.
The Ajax Reconnaissance sensor suite scans for sub-micron defect.
The massive industrial press simulates the extreme environmental pressures the sensor suite housing will endure, listening for microfractures.
The sensor suite analyzes the wafer across the visible, infrared, and thermal spectrums, ensuring it meets the stringent Grade 5 requirements for Process A.
The high-purity silicon wafers are immersed in a series of agitated baths. Ultrasonic transducers
The pre-stressed blocks of 7075 T6 aluminum billet are loaded onto high-precision machining fixtures.
So maintain the critical level. Maintain sort of the air filtration to TX the torque again.
The Ajax Reconnaissance sensor suite begins manufacturing as a DUV stepper projects the circuit pattern onto a silicon wafer.
A highly controlled ion beam accelerator from patterned high purity grade 5.
Inside the annealing furnace, precisely controlled heat cycles repair crystal lattice damage and activate the dope.
A thin layer of silicon dioxide is chemically applied to the wafer.
Initial electrical testing verifies functionality, generating a comprehensive performance map for the 8-inch wafer.
Micro lenses are precisely deposited onto the optical silicon wafer, aligning perfectly with the sensors. This
Process A handover initiated for Ajax Suite.
Confirmed. Custody transferred to Process B.
The sapphire dome is lowered, creating the protective optical window. A robotic dispenser then applies a high-strength
The Ajax sensor suite is moved into the thermal vacuum chamber for critical testing. This ensures the optical array maintains.
Seal 49er checked and verified. Scan complete.
Roger that, Sergeant. Data logged.
Aligning port side, clear. Steady on the mark.
And locked, confirm green status.
Green, starting sequence 1.
I'm locking the sensor array onto the target now.
Maintaining visual contact. The spectral accuracy is holding steady.
Scanning shows the casing is secure.
And the data transfer confirms optimal performance across all metrics, ready for redeployment.
The inspection confirms the matte military green housing shows no signs of structural fatigue, validating the quality of the 7075 T6 aluminum. Operational excellence confirmed as the rearing Ajax Reconnaissance sensor suite begins its mission.